So if you're like me, you know some days it's a real struggle to get your 3-year-old to eat anything. So today's recipe comes with 2 thumbs up from my little 3-nager. We're gonna be making her favorite homemade 3-ingredient mango ice cream. I know, it's the perfect summer treat because, well, it's summer, it's hot, so it's gonna cool you down, and mangoes are in season, so you can find them anywhere for really good prices. And mangoes are packed with vitamin C, so there's no excuses. You have to try out this recipe. First, we're gonna pour our heavy cream in a bowl, and we're gonna use a hand blender at about medium speed and beat it until we get nice stiff peaks. And then we're gonna pour our condensed milk and blend that in for a few more seconds. Now for the star of the show, our mangoes. We're gonna peel them, cut them, and put them in a blender to get a nice puree. Now let's slowly pour our mango puree in and fold it in until our mixture becomes soft and creamy. Now we're just gonna pour this into a freezer-safe container, preferably glass, and we're gonna freeze it for about 5 hours, preferably overnight. Now this is a fun and easy summer treat that everyone will enjoy. If you want to spice up the flavors at home, feel free to add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract or a pinch of ground cardamom for that classic Indian flavor. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and leave your thoughts in the comment section below so I know how much you liked it. Enjoy!